This is a 90-90 hip shift with chest fly. So this is a 90-90 hip shift with chest fly. When we get into that 90-90 position with that hip shift, we want to generally feel some of that adductor tension when we're in that position. So if I'm in that 90-90 and I'm shifting my right knee just slightly in front of my left and pulling my left hip back, I'm going to think about pressing into the block with my left side and feeling that left adductor. But sometimes if you're not really feeling that tension, we can add some load and weight to it. In this case, with that little chest fly, to really feel that connection through the adductor and challenge yourself in that hip shift position. So going into your 90-90 with the yoga block to help kind of hold yourself in that position. So I have that 90-degree bend at the hips and at the knees, and I'm thinking about dragging down with the heels of my feet. And as I elevate my pelvis just slightly off the ground, I'm going to think about shifting my right knee in front of my left. So notice that small shift as I think about pulling my left knee back and shifting my right knee forward, and then kind of utilizing the yoga block to sort of hold that position in place. And I'm actively holding that yoga block in place. Now in this 90-90 position with that shift on the block and into the legs, I'm going to think about an inhale and exhale. Inhale, keeping that shift. We would do the same thing on the opposite side. So I like to start by getting into that shift. Think about that right knee down and left knee slightly ahead, holding that shifted position in place as I inhale and exhale. Really drive into the yoga block, in this case with the right side. And then exhale. Feel those deep abs, especially on this side. You might find that your kind of rib cage and thorax, upper body wants to kind of shift with you. So you really want to have to fight that pull and use those deep abs. Inhale and exhale. So that is your 90-90 hip shift with chest fly.